Hey, I'm Michael, founder and CEO of Virtion, and we are a managed service provider sitting in Bielefeld in Germany. And we are running managed services and infrastructure services for our customers in our own data center, as well as in certain on-premise locations for customers requiring hybrid setups or mixed setups consisting of cloud infrastructure plus their local infrastructure. In addition, we also run managed environments in our customers' data centers when there are reasons or good reasons to do that. So what are we using StorPool for? Well, one part of our infrastructure is, and that is in every IT environment, I think, it's storage. And that is even one of the most critical parts in our infrastructure. So we are running their virtual machines on top of StorPool in our cloud. And we are also using it, for example, for multi-terabyte databases, for file services, and many other services requiring high performance and stability on the one hand, and a flexible scalability in terms of volumes, sizing, and features like snapshots for data cloning, for instantaneous snapshots for setting up test environments, stage environments, etc. And yeah, this is all supported by StorPool, and that is why we are using it. Why we decided to go with StorPool? Well, when we were looking for a new storage system in 2013, we found that StorPool was perfectly fitting into our existing infrastructure. So first, the hardware requirements were exactly what we could provide at that time. Then we were, or StorPool was perfectly integrated into OpenNebula, which we are using to manage our KVM-based cloud infrastructure. After visiting StorPool in Sofia, where we learned how to use it, how to install it, and how to manage the complete system, we installed it in our infrastructure. And yeah, the decision was practically felt at that time because it was perfectly fitting and the team was always available when we had questions, when we had problems, issues, and so on. So each time we have a questions, we contact the team and they solve normally our problems in minutes. Well, what changed after installing StorPool? Well, it's an easy question, or a long answer, an easy question. Well, on the one hand, we got a very flexible system, which was completely fitting to our requirements or to our customers' requirements. And providing, on the one hand, an affordable storage system, so at an affordable price, but on the other hand, delivering a performance which is groundbreaking for the hardware setup, which is running StorPool. And that is what made our lives easier practically. And yeah, because the infrastructure is just working and it's fast and from day to day, we have the chance to support our customers in the best case. What were the other systems we were checking before deciding for StorPool? Well, we checked certain providers delivering hardware boxes using classical NFS systems. And for example, we made also installations of Ceph to compare it if these systems were able to deliver our demands for storage. But well, in comparison to StorPool, it was always that the performance was not right. So the overhead in the protocols like NFS was much too high, or the complexity of day-to-day management was too high, for example, with Ceph. And well, that was fitting perfectly with StorPool, where we found out that in day-to-day management, it's really easy to handle the complete system. Not only when doing some planned maintenance, but also when hardware crashes or when something is not working like expected. Yeah, we found out that StorPool is practically a self-healing system where we don't care about And yeah, when there are real problems, we connect to the team, and yeah, we get help in minutes. What do I like on StorPool? Well, there are only 2 or 3 things, I think, which need to be said. First, it's the ease of maintenance. Then the team, which is always available. And for us, that is very, very important. So we need a good supporting back office, which helps us to solve issues and problems, especially on the storage environment in very short times. Well, and the final thing is practically the non-existing problems in our storage environment. That is what I like on StorPool. Thank you.